This is our accountant, Miss Au.
Makikisari po
Yeah.
mag-report ng 10 a.m. tomorrow.
This is
dito po
Miss
sa
Kai
Province for
and
second
Presi.
interview. Opo.
Yes.
Si Doors po. Okay.
You see?
Okay, bye-bye.
That is Presi. Okay.
Ganda
Oh.
naman ng camera na yan,
Ako
sir.
naka-lipstick.
Biglang ganun eh. Sir, ako
Dapat
naman.
pinapocopy na lang natin.
They are talking about photocopy.
Yeah.
This is Doors. Ah.
Tapos alam mo sa akin kanina pa. Hindi, dapat dati ko pa
Okay na, sir.
sasabihin sa'yo. Pag nag-print
Lori, it's your turn.
ka ng madami.
Wow. Yeah.
Manipin.
And this is Lori. Say hi.
Lori.
My second tour!
What?
Second tour!
Second tour? What second tour is talking about?
Because I already like that.
What that?
Like this pala, like this. May I see the look?
Okay, after, okay?
After that,
Where is Au and Yula? This is Yula. Yes, this is Yula.
This is from Corny. Pwede na. Report po kayo na 10 a.m.